High temps flirted with records today. College Station hit 104. Galveston did tie the record at 95. It was a day where, again, most of the rain was in Louisiana. We had a few scattered thunder showers get into southeast Texas. I think that we will see those scattered shower numbers increase, especially as we head toward the end of the week. Now, this is Thursday. Models not overly aggressive, but a few rain showers expected as we head into the afternoon and early evening on Thursday. Okay, but watch Friday. That stuff in Louisiana begins to come our way. We get rain showers just to our east in the morning on Friday, and then that's forecast to spread across southeast Texas as we head through the day and afternoon on Friday. Let's hope that this forecast verifies, because we need it and my yard needs it. Tropics remain relatively quiet, well, very quiet. This is just cloud debris from showers across the central Gulf Coast. Open Atlantic is just asleep, and long-range models have nothing out here. Big reason continues to be this Saharan dust layer that is very slowly sinking air and creating a inversion at the mid-levels in the tropical atmosphere. It just won't allow clouds to build upwards, and that's what you need to get tropical systems going. So for the moment, the tropics remain asleep. Thursday, 40% chance for a scattered thunderstorm, 99. And then it's Friday, we'll bring in a higher rain chance. Saturday, still a 50-50 chance for scattered thunderstorms.